Bitget versus Delta Exchange, which crypto exchange is better? Choosing the right crypto exchange can drastically improve your trading experience without unnecessary fees or security concerns. Bitget and Delta Exchange both offer unique features for traders and investors. Bitget and Delta Exchange are two popular crypto trading platforms, but they serve different needs. Bitget focuses on spot and futures trading with the social trading edge, while Delta Exchange specializes in derivatives and advanced options trading. Bitget is a global cryptocurrency exchange known for its comprehensive spot and futures trading services. It operates by providing a user-friendly interface combined with advanced tools like copy trading, allowing users to follow and replicate professional trader strategies. Bitget supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offers competitive trading fees, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. Its security protocols include cold wallet storage and two-factor authentication, ensuring asset safety. However, Bitget's futures trading can be complex for new users, and its regulatory status varies by region, which might limit access in some countries. Bitget is ideal for traders who want a blend of spot and futures trading with social features, especially those interested in leveraging expert insights without managing trades themselves. Delta Exchange is a crypto derivatives platform specializing in futures, options, and perpetual contracts. It offers a powerful trading engine with deep liquidity and a variety of products like leverage tokens and index options. Delta Exchange works by enabling traders to speculate on the price movements of cryptocurrencies without owning the underlying assets, using leverage to amplify potential returns. The platform is praised for its transparent fee structure and advanced risk management tools. However, it has a steeper learning curve and is more suited for experienced traders comfortable with derivatives. Spot trading is limited or unavailable, which may not appeal to users looking for a full-service exchange. Delta Exchange is best for professional and semi-professional traders focused on derivatives and hedging strategies who want a reliable and feature-rich platform. Bitget and Delta Exchange cater to different trading styles. Bitget is a versatile platform offering both spot and futures trading with social copy trading features, making it suitable for users seeking a mix of hands-on and automated trading. On the other hand, Delta Exchange excels in derivatives with a focus on futures and options, providing sophisticated tools for risk management and leverage. If you want to trade a broad range of assets, including spot with social trading, Bitget is the better choice. But if your priority is advanced derivatives trading with deep liquidity and complex instruments, Delta Exchange stands out. The trade-off is between ease of use and product specialization, with Bitget offering a more beginner-friendly environment and Delta Exchange targeting experienced derivatives traders. Choose Bitget if you want a comprehensive crypto exchange with spot and futures trading, plus social features that help you learn and trade more effectively. Delta Exchange is the top pick for traders focused on derivatives and advanced strategies, offering robust tools and liquidity. Ultimately, your choice depends on your trading style and goals. Bitget for versatility, Delta Exchange for specialized derivatives trading.